another cruise here this morning. It's getting a little cloudy though. I wish the sun was out. But at least it's not raining. 1963 Ford Fairlane 500. Really cool car, man. It's got the 260 in it, but it freaking runs good, man. It's all kind of, it's got some upgrades into the engine compartment. It's got aluminum intake, a 4-barrel, some headers, some dual exhaust. It's got power drum brakes, so you know you got to use the brakes, unfortunately. But power steering. The guy spent a lot of money just kind of doing little things on this thing, all little gauge packages. You know, got a custom steering wheel, got some cloth comfortable seats. Driver's seat's broken down a little bit, but I forget how big the guy was, but that could be fixed. Not that big of a deal. Just kind of lean. But overall, pretty neat car. It's got the original radio in the dashboard. Makes it look stock, but it has one in the glove box, like an AM/FM player, which is nice. AM/FM stereo. It's got some 15-inch Eagle alloys on there as well. Kind of a cool Grant GT wheel there. But they shaved all the trim off of it, so there was some chrome on this car that is no longer on it, and it just kind of makes it look cool. A little bit more of a hot rod. Got the 15-inch wheels on there. The bumpers are real nice. Chrome's real clean on it. The grill's real nice. It's got a good look, and you'll see that under the hood as soon as we pull over up here and check it out and give you another video. But the guy had it for 28 years. Motor's got about 3,000 miles on it since he rebuilt it. It's got a Unilite distributor and a few goodies under the hood. We'll show you that in a minute. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and some video. All right, check out this 1963 Ford Fairlane 500. These are pretty cool. You don't see these all the time. Kind of like more of a mid-sized little Fairlane, not a giant car. So this one's got the original, I think it's the original anyway. I can't confirm that, but it's a 260 V8. I don't know why somebody would put a 260 instead of a 289, so it's probably the original motor. But black California plates, been here its whole life. Same owner for 28 years, super nice guy. Pretty much fixed this car up, you know, over the years himself and did everything he wanted to it. He did take all the trim off. There's a lot of chrome trim and stuff on there that probably wasn't in that good a shape, so he just took it all off anyway. But kind of shaved it, but left the emblems, which is cool, you know. Nice grill, nice bumpers, those beautiful original black plates. Those are not aftermarket. They're not placed on this car. That's what came with it in 1963. It's got some 15-inch Eagle alloys there. Kind of a modern looking wheel. You know, wheels are like shoes. You pick what you like. You can change them up if you want. Put some Americans, some old Magnums, whatever you like. But they look pretty cool on this car. Interior is just all super soft and comfy. It's got like a, I don't know, like some kind of a cloth velour interior. Nice and warm in here. Headliner's in good shape. Whole dash is in nice shape. They went ahead and got a newer dash panel for it, you know. It's nice when somebody takes that kind of time and, you know, just to kind of detail work to make the car look nice. It's got a B&M floor shifter there. It's got a 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got power drum brakes. Like I said earlier, you got to be ready for drum brakes, but disc brake kits are pretty inexpensive for these. But it does have power steering. He's got a cool look in the back. They look like rockets, you know, just like the T-Bird did. They always had a cool looking tail light. This one's got dual exhaust going all the way out the back. Tinted windows. All the trim and chrome and stainless is actually in pretty good shape. And this is a 2-door hardtop. You put those windows down, no post. That's what people want. It's a good looking little car. Here's the power plant in the 63 Fairlane. Pretty cool looking. I've never seen anybody fix up a 260 like this. It's got those Fairlane powered by Ford aluminum valve covers. Got the Edelbrock kit, so it's got a Edelbrock intake, carburetor, air cleaner. It's got a Unilite distributor, electronic ignition. There's your power brakes. Like I said, it's got power drum. There's power steering. Overall, nice looking little engine compartment for an affordable little classic car, you know. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Still got a generator on there instead of an alternator. Looks like it's got a new starter thing on there. Nice running little motor. There's your coil over there. Solenoid, that's what I was thinking. I had a brain fart. There's a new solenoid. Pretty cool. I'll walk around the back so you can hear that. good for a little 260, and it goes good too. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313, and be happy to show you the cars that we have, and this one especially. Thanks for watching.